Hey, so I have not seen someone be able to do a get the HSN credit card and also the QVC credit card using the shopping cart trick. You can definitely try it, but they also have those credit cards. You can go right to their website to see if you guys can actually get it. And when it come down to the PenFed credit card, I recently did a review on the PenFed Platinum credit card, so definitely check that one out. I really love that credit card because it don't have an annual fee. You guys are going to get a sign up bonus, and you guys can get 3 times the points when you guys shop at Walmart and Target. So think of it as like 3% cash back, sometimes 2% cash back, but that's better than what you guys are getting on some of the other credit cards. So check out those full reviews. Now, let me show you my screen for that PenFed credit card. Did some research or want to research on the HSN card. I don't know if they can do. You can do a pre-qualification for the HSN credit card, but you can apply on their website. I'm not sure if the shopping cart trick is going to work, but you can try. You can always try. This is the review that I did do, so check out the full review. Here are the PenFed credit cards in general. You got the gold, you got the power cash, you got the platinum, and then you have that Pathfinder. Now, this is the one that I like the most because you guys are going to get 5% back when you pay at the pump, and then you guys are going to get 3% back when you're shopping at Walmart and Target. So that's really good. And that's most locations. It's not all locations, but that's most locations, and also restaurants that radio, cable, or streaming services. Make sure you use your card for this. And they say you can get your decision as less as in as little as 20 seconds. Make sure you guys have good and excellent credit to get this one, and make sure you spend at least that $1,500 in the first 90 days so that you guys can get that $15,000 bonus. But definitely check out that full review that I did on that PenFed credit card because I had that full review out there for you.